Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'll show you how to fix the disk's 100% use issue. When your PC has a problem, it is always advisable to take it to a licensed technicians to help you figure out and solve the problem. Going to a technicians can sometimes be expensive, and there is still a safe way to solve problem without spending so much. If you have the 100% usage on Windows 8.1 or even on Windows 10, same app can assist you with running the diagnostic, and one such app is my disk app. You can use them for other versions too. Number one, just restart your PC. That will work. Restarting your PC might be your problem, should be solved 100%. But in case if it's not working, then the second thing, you need to update your Windows 10. Now a lot of people don't do that, but it's important. You need to update your Windows from here. Right now I just disable the Windows updating system just because of recently optimization tutorial. So anyways, just go ahead and update your Windows to the latest version. Now the second thing, you need to scan malware with the Windows Defender. Now a lot of people will see here the Defender icon, or you can just simply search here the Windows Defender, Windows security, and just go ahead, open it and scan your PC. Now in my case I just disable it for some reasons, where you can scan your PC first. If you did not get any issue with Windows Defender, like no malwares detected, then the third step you can simply do here, just run the command prompt by an administrator. After running the command prompt, simply you need to type here a few commands that will help you to solve your problem. Here you need to type the net stop and dots Windows space search, then again dots, and hit enter. Now in my case I have already disabled this feature, but in your case you will get here the after applying this command, you will see here the Windows search service is stopped. The Windows search service was stopped successfully. After doing this, just close it. And now let's move on the step number 4. Again you need to launch here the CMD, and this time you need to type here the net space stop space main. Now might be you will not get here this command because the latest version is totally changed. So for that, you can simply click on the Windows icon, then type here the services. Once you open here the services, just search here for sysmain. Okay, here is the sysmain. It's already disabled. Go into the properties, just disable this, and if it's running, just click on the stop, hit apply. Okay, now in the older version you will get the superfetch, not the sysmain but superfetch. Just disable that command as well. After doing this, now let's move into the power energy options, and then here is the additional power settings. Just open it. Once you open this, just close it, check the high performance, and then go into the change power plan, then change advanced settings. Once you open this, now here you need to find the process power management. Click on the plus icon, and now simply you need to put everything on 0, and then minimum process state should be 100%. Then go into the process performance core, parking overutilizations threshold should be on 60, system cool policy should be activated, maximum processor state should be on 100%. After doing this, just close this one, and now scroll down a bit, and you need to disable your antivirus temporary. Might be this will fix your problem. If it's not working, then reset virtual memory in Windows 10. For that, just click on the Windows icon, or you can just open any browser explorer, then go into the this PC properties, and then here the advanced system settings. Once you go over there, just go into the performance settings, and then go into the advanced change settings, and here you will see some custom size, etc. So simply check this option, automatically manage packing file size for all device and drivers, then hit OK. and restart your PC, your problem will be fixed 100%. Now I'm not gonna restart this right now, but in your case you need to restart this one. Now the last step you can do here, just run the CMD again, administrator. Once you launch the administrator, now simply you need to type here the check space dot exe space /f space /r and press enter. Now check this cannot run because the volume is in used by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? So just click on Y and hit enter. After this, just restart your PC and it will do for you. You check this command will work for you and your problem should be fixed 100%. I hope these methods will solve your issue. If still you are facing any kind of issue, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you further. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more tutorials. Have a good day.